It's Friday, my favorite day. I actually get to rant about something. Today, I wanted to talk about self-treatment, which isn't even self-treatment. Maybe we can call this maintenance category. So one thing that I see all the time popping up on my news feeds all over is this thing called the TheraGun. So I wanted to talk about it and some of their claims that they're doing, and even more going to the idea that there are doctors out there that are putting this tool on you that you can get yourself and do. So I just don't like this thing. I don't like it at all. So I'm going to go through what they actually say on their video.
Benefits of the TheraGun is it increases blood flow.
First benefit, they say, and I agree with it, it increases blood flow. Blood flow is important. You need blood flow to go to your muscles, to your brain. I'll give them that one.
Decreases lactic acid.
Decreases lactic acid. I'll give them that one as well. I do think it will help with that. So a couple positives. Increased blood flow, decreased lactic acid. Everybody wants that. That's cool. That's a great recovery tool. That would be something that's awesome for maintenance.
It interrupts the pain cycle in the brain.
My favorite one. Interrupts the pain cycle in the brain so you can get back out there to doing the activity that you want to do. Oh my God, I hate this stuff. I hate this pain science idea. What is pain in your body for? What is it there for? It's to tell you that something is wrong. You have this innately built in. We've evolved as humans because of pain. Pain lets us know something's wrong. When the stove is hot, you take your damn hand off the stove or you're going to get burnt. What do you think pain is there for? It's there to tell you that something is wrong. So if you're using this gun or any type of treatment so you can feel better, so you can go right back out there and do the activities that caused the problem in the first place, you're an idiot, and so is a doctor that's telling you that. That is not going to work. It's not going to get you to where you need to be, and it's going to cause more harm than good. What happens with these people is they are trying to enable you or make you feel like you're able to get in there and fix your injury. You can't fix your injury. If that TheraGun was going to fix my injury, trust me, I would have used it a long time ago on my own problems. It cannot fix you, and that's bad enough. But what people don't realize is it actually delays a window when you can get effective treatment and a proper diagnosis for the problem you're having. So I don't like it. I don't think it's good. If you want to use it for recovery, that's totally fine, but stay in your lane. Use it for recovery, for maintenance. It is not treatment. The part that really blows my mind is I've actually seen doctors on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, using this in their office on a patient. If you're paying a doctor to put this gun on you, you are wasting your money, and your doctor is delusional if they think they're actually helping you. We're in this epidemic where people don't trust doctors. They don't trust diagnosis. They want to be able to fix all their problems. But the problem is they don't have any training. They don't know what's really going on. And you're delaying that window when you can actually get effective treatment before the problem gets so bad that you're so degenerated and there's nothing that you can do except go to the surgeon's office. So we need to stop with this. And the people that are teaching you this or showing you this are the most to blame. Thanks for letting me rant. Have a good weekend.